namaskar. May I have everyone's attention, please? On this bright and sunny morning, I, Harshita, extend a very warm and heartful welcome to everyone present here at the India's Most Trusted Brand of the Year Award 2025 in education, healthcare, and real estate, business, and entrepreneurs. The time has finally come to formally acknowledge and honor the best of the education, healthcare, real estate, business sector and entrepreneur. अगले अवार्ड की कैटेगरी है बेस्ट यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन स्कूल्स. डू वी हैव Ambience Public School with us? Congratulations, ma'am. At Ambience, we have Miss Mahima Malik with us. Everyone, please give her a round of applause. At Ambience Public School, Safdarjung Enclave, we believe that education is not confined to the pages of textbook. It's a transformative journey that nurtures intellect, empathy, creativity and leadership, true to our vision and producing globally competent yet socially. Congratulations, ma'am.